This is the DM520P3 Sharman coffin microphone, and it's the P3 because this comes with a 5-pin DIN. Let's see if we can find it here. There you go. So you can see it there. It comes with a 5-pin DIN, but there's no reason why you can't take that off and put on a 4-pin or a 6-pin microphone adapter if you need to change it for your radio. Now this coffin microphone, the DM520P3, is designed for the Midland range of radios, but as I said, you only need 4 wires for a standard CB microphone on a basic level. So this would be ideal for most CB radios once you know the wiring code for the actual radio. And they're cheap and cheerful, and it does the job. I really like these coffin microphones. Just they feel really nice in your hand when you're using them. So that's the DM520P3 5-pin DIN coffin microphone.